These powerful Psalms will make you rich. Okay, today I want to teach you very powerful Psalms that you can use to make yourself rich very fast. A lot of people don't know the secrets of the Psalms. They don't know that there are some powerful Psalms that they can read to make sure that money comes to them, abundance of money, abundance of wealth, okay, into the land. That's what I'm teaching you today. If you will take a leap of faith, do this, you will see your life change for good. My name is Precious, and this is Precious Spiritual TV. So now I'll be telling you three secrets, and I'll be telling you seven Psalms that you should read and see how this will increase your chances, and it will remove any blockages, any money block in your life, and it will release you from evil spirits. If ever evil spirit enemies are behind your lack of money. So this video is specifically for people that are under the yoke of the enemy, that are in financial depression. They don't have financial freedom, and you desire money to come into your life. You want to be rich. Please do this. Now, the first secret will be the money secret that I'm going to tell you. I really want you to read these Psalms that I'm going to tell you with faith. They are seven powerful Psalms, and you will never run out of money. Money will flow to you so fast, okay? Even with the little effort that you will provide in your struggles, in your endeavors, in your activities, money will definitely come to you. Now, the first Psalm, I really want you to read these Psalms. You will grab like a bowl of water like this, and you are going to read these seven Psalms. Please write them down. You can get a sticky note. You can write them on your jotter. You can even put them on your computer, on your phone, right? So, and also you can always come back to this video as a reference for this powerful video, okay? So now, the first Psalm will be Psalm 112, verse 3. Psalm 112, verse 3. That's the first Psalm. The second Psalm is Psalm 34, verse 10. Okay? The third Psalm is Psalm 1, verse 3. The fourth Psalm is Psalm 118, verse 25. Psalm 118, verse 25. The fifth Psalm is Psalm 35, verse 27. The sixth Psalm is Psalm 145, verses 15 to 16. Psalm 145, verses verses 15 to 16. Then the last verse, which is the seventh Psalm, is Psalm 105, verse 14. So you want to make sure that you read all these seven Psalms, one after the other, into the water that you get. You can get rainwater, you can get seawater, you can get any water, even tap water. Okay? And read all those seven Psalms into it. All right? Read it very powerfully. You can read these Psalms for 3 days straight. You can do it for 5 days straight. You can read it for 7 days straight. And use it. Just drink some of them, some of the water, and add the remaining water to your bath to take your bath. And you will do this the first day, the second day, the third day, the fourth day, the fifth day, the sixth day, and the seventh day. And use it to bath. After that, even before the first day you start doing the bath, you start reading these powerful Psalms, you will start to see changes in your life. Wealth will start rushing into your life. Favor will start rushing into your life. Everything will start coming into your life. Okay, you will definitely have abundance of testimonies in your life. Okay, the second secret that I want to tell you is luck. Okay, if you are somebody that has been unlucky, okay, when it's time for you to receive money, something will just happen. You will just remove that and it will never happen. Somebody promises you to get you money. Okay, there's a contract that's supposed to be yours. Okay, all of a sudden they change their mind that they are not giving you. Okay, this is it's a bad luck. Okay, to get lucky, to make sure that you become rich, money come into your life. Please take like a bowl of water. You fill it with clean water and put some sugar in it. I have some sugar in there in this bowl. Put some sugar in it. Okay, just put some sugar in that water, and you have to call you have to call Holy Spirit 7 times. Holy Spirit, 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 and ask Him to give you the chance to succeed. Okay, in such and such a thing, in such a duration, within a duration that you want it to happen. Whatever it is that you want to happen, let's say it's for a contract, it's for a business, it's for a connection, it's for a job. Okay, ask Him to give you that chance, give you that chance, the opportunity, the grace to succeed in everything that you laid your and hands up. Okay, you can give a divine duration and okay, let that water just sit down. Okay, let's sit down for like 30 minutes. You can put it on your window, put it outside. Okay, you can do that. All right, and after the 30 minutes, you can take that water in, bless it. Okay, purify it, sanctify it, and you can add it to your bath water. And you are going to wash yourself. Use it to bath by itself without taking soap, without toilet, without soap, without towel, without sponge. Use this water to bath before going out. Every time you want to go out, make sure you use it to bath. Okay? This is to be repeated, consecutively. You have to repeat for 7 or 9 successive days. You have to repeat it. Let's say you do it today, all right? You have to repeat it for 7 days. Do it for 7 days. After that, if you want to do it for another 7 days, you go to repeat it again. Okay? And depending on the sex, if you are a man, do it for 9 days. If you are a woman, do it for 7 days. You get what I'm saying? As and I know that if you do it with faith, you must testify. Okay? You just entrust a mission to the Holy Spirit. For example, to have a wife before the end of the month. Okay? For example, to have a contract before the end of the month, to get that job before the end of the month. You'll just entrust this mission to the Holy Spirit and it will work powerfully for you. All right? It's very, very powerful. Another secret is to unblock and to disengage from evil spirit. Because sometimes a lot of people, they're going through evil spirits, they have no idea, okay, how to get out of these problems. Okay, the evil spirit, demons, enemies, they are responsible. They are the root of their lack of money, lack of wealth, lack of riches. Okay, if you want to unblock all this evil spirit to disengage, please use this powerful spiritual work. Get some water, get some salt, or you can even get sugar, whatever works for you. Sugar or salt will be good. Okay, you can get, if you have sugar, maybe the ground one, grab like 21 pinches of sugar, 21 pinches. If it is salt, use 21 pinches of salt, okay, into like 1 liter of water. So now after adding it to the liter of water, you have to leave it for 24 hours. After the 24 hours, you start to use that water to massage your body. Okay, you have to massage your body every time, like every night at bedtime. Before you go to bed, you have to make sure you use that water to massage your body. Okay, even if the enemy has sent evil arms to you, they have cursed you, they have said you will never receive money, you will never count money. After doing this, you must count millions. Money must come to you, favor must come to you, because this is going to remove all these curses. It will remove all these generational curses, evil curses, spiritual attacks, evil projection. It will remove all of them from your life. So by using this secret, you will see the person that is sending evil harm to you, the demons, the enemies. You will see them in your dreams, and you will even see how he proceeded to to bewitch you. You will see how they are able to do all this evil harm to your life. So after this will destroy them. It will open your ways. It will send blessings upon blessings into your life. That's essentially what you have to do. Please read these powerful Psalms and you will be rich abundantly in the mighty name of God. Please, if this video is helpful, if it makes any sense to you, give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Watch this video and God bless you. Bye bye.